Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Aquarius. I'll be picking few cards from these decks, guys, and I'll be giving your love energies and your overall energies, Aquarius. Queen of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Knight of Swords, Ten of Cups, Eight of Cups. Aquarius, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are happy where you are, you feel secure in your relationship. Maybe if you are married, you feel really happy and you have that you are well settled in life and you are really content with your marriage, and you feel that satisfaction in your heart because of this relationship, and you are you are happy as things are going as expected, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you may get a visit from somebody, a friend, or someone from your family member or someone of that sort. So they may say a few things about your person. They may reveal some kind of secrets or some kind of information about them. So that may cause some kind of confusion for you all today. But other than that, I feel in your wedding or in this relationship with this person, you are really happy where you are right now, and you feel really skilled. You have that confidence to face all situations, and maybe this visit from this person, that may be the reason for some kind of some kind of stress. So for some of you all, that may be causing some stress in your relationship, or this may concern your work in your office. Something sudden may come towards you, that may cause certain confusions or anxiety. So let us see what is the energy with the other set of cards, guys. We will get a better clarity. So what is really happening? So I see a happy relationship, that affection is there, that contentment is there, love and intimacy is there, but something is causing troubles. Let us see what it is. Fish, whips, garden. So with these cards, Aquarius, I feel your person has some form of addiction, guys. Maybe they are into some kind of repeated activities. They do it again and again. Maybe something health oriented or some kind of addictions. That may be the reason for these confusions. Maybe you didn't know before, like they were having these addictions and you came to know about it. But since you know about these addictions, you are really worried, guys. That may be the energy here. You didn't know about their addictions previously and you're really happy in your relationship, but something has brought this information to your notice. Maybe some friends, or you would have yourself seen them. So that is causing the trouble here, guys. That is the energy here. Or they may be into some kind of activities. They may be training for sports or some things, some activities like dancing, something which they are doing regularly. That may also be the reason for this stress, some form of stress. Maybe they don't find time to be with you. That may bring some kind of harmful behavior in this relationship. So you are quite stressed because of that, because of this activity, Aquarius. And maybe for some of you all, you are meeting with friends, you are having a good time with them, guys. And though this relationship has everything you need, you feel there is something missing. Maybe for some of you all, you just have a fear, some kind of fear that this is not true, this may not be true. So you're really anxious and stressed over this relationship. That may also be the energy here, guys. And you're sharing your situation with your friends, family. Maybe you're meeting them, maybe you're going out with them for a party, some fundraisers or some clubs, something. So you are into some kind of communal activity today, Aquarius. So you are sharing your situation with them and you're taking counsel, guys. That may also be the energy here. So this person may be into some kind of addictions, but you are happy with this relationship. Only thing, you are just wishing that they overcome these addictions for you all. And maybe this person wants to do that. Let us see what is their energy towards this relationship, guys. I'll be picking one card from this other deck. Gratitude. So with this card, the energy towards the relationship, this is their energy towards you and this relationship, guys. They really appreciate you being there for them. So they are really grateful. They really value you and your love, and how it makes their life abundantly rich each and every day. And they are really thankful, and they feel really unconditional love towards you for bringing happiness into their lives each and every day, lots of opportunities and hope into their life. So they are really happy for you being there with them, and for the flow of abundance in their life, for the flow of love in their life. So they really feel that gratitude towards you, guys. So that is the energy here, Aquarius, and this is the way they feel. Maybe they feel grateful because though you know about their addictions and their some negative issues that they have, you are still with them and they are really happy for it, guys. Maybe that is the energy here. So you both are trying to work hard, maybe, or this may be your person's energy towards you. They feel you are having some kind of addictions and you are grateful for them being there for you. So these energies work vice versa, guys. So that may also be the energy here. So there is love and there is appreciation. They are really thankful for you for being there with them through thick and thin times, guys. So that is the energy here, Aquarius. That is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.